Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on GameStop, ticker GME. So what are key support and resistances we're looking at going forward? And as of right now, and it's kind of key to note, is it's not something I would be trading. Reason for that is statistical mean over on the 6 month, which is this left chart, and statistical mean on the right chart, which is the 1 year, is between $18.50 and $22. And what this basically means, statistical mean is essentially fair value. If we're traders, we want to be buying for some sort of reason, and if we're within the range of kind of a fair value, to me there is no trading edge if I'm just trading strictly off technicals. So yeah, really within that range, I'm not looking to touch it. Now, if we break out to the downside, then I'm paying attention to $15.50, $12.50, and $9 as basically key supports. But really, these kind of stocks, I don't really like buying at those. I much prefer when they squeeze just to catch them short, because I think it's a lot of an easier way to trade, and then you're not really at much of a risk of bag holding, because again, if they start to pump, these kind of ones have liquid options, especially when they are pumping. So really, it can be waiting for them to pump, trading it through an option, things you're set risk. Again, your risk parameters will be in there, again, especially if you're trading it through a credit or debit spread. You're getting usually a one-to-one risk to reward. You know what you're putting into the trade. So if it's going into those levels, you can just let it run, and the majority of the times they'll finish in the money if you're selling at the extremes. But if we go to the upside, and again, these are levels I'm more kind of looking at, is going to be $25, $28.50, going on to $31, going on to $35, $37, and final levels taking us out to around $41, $43.50, and $47.50. Now, a lot of these levels are very far off. Do you need to pay attention to all of them? Of course not. Basically, right now, we're within the range of $18.70 to around $22. Again, within this range, I don't even care about the stock. I'm not touching it. If we broke down to the $15.50, this is when I would flip more long bias. So again, there is a potential long from how I would trade at this area. And the same thing to the upside. If we end up breaking to 25, there is a potential short opportunity. And that's really how I wait for it. I'm just patient. I'll have my alerts out, wait for it to break to either side. And then that's really where the trading opportunities will come. In the meantime, there's always going to be different stocks at different levels, which are going to provide more of an opportunity than if this stock's not an opportunity like it's not now. There's no point forcing trades, and it's easier just to wait a week or two or a month, however long it is, until it comes to a level that is desired, and then getting into the trade then. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on GameStop. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.